Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Redmi Note 11, and I have flashed the stock Indonesian region ROM of the Hyper OS on global variant of the Redmi Note 11. This is the Xiaomi Hyper OS stock ROM. Indonesian region ROM of stock ROM already got released for the Redmi Note 11, and ROM is very fast comparing it with the MIUI 14. Even the global Hyper OS is not that fast. The one Indonesian region ROM is performing faster than comparing it with the Hyper OS Global and comparing it with the MIUI 14. So the Redmi Note 11 is stuck with the Android 13. It will not get Android 14. This Indonesian ROM comes with the Mi dialer, and also we are getting call recording feature after flashing the Indonesian stock region ROM of the Hyper OS, and also we are getting Mi SMS application. Now, if you see that the application opening and closing speed is faster than comparing it with the MIUI 14, etc., etc. Now, the thing and the error that will annoy you a lot and annoying me also, that after flashing the Indonesian region ROM on Redmi Note 11, this pop-up error window will come again and again unless we register this device with Google. So this window will get off. It will not come again. Right now we cannot log in Gmail account, we cannot do more things, we cannot even use Google Play Store to download application. This device is in Play Protect certified. Google apps and services can't run on this device. Now, let me show how to solve this issue. Before going ahead, do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just give me a favor, do subscribe my channel, and do comment in comment section if you want to have any inquiry, right? So starting the video, first of all, your mobile phone must be connected with internet. Right now my mobile phone is connected with the my mobile phone data. Both sim are inserted, and mobile data is on. This is the new control center of the Hyper OS with the Indonesian stock ROM. So then open any browser you have. In my case, I will open Chrome. I have to download a device ID APK, application from the internet, because I cannot log in my Gmail account to download direct from the Google Play Store. So I have to open the browser, and I have to search for that application. Searching for the device ID space APK. Search for it, and you will see APK Pure, etc. I will go for the APK Mirror. I will tap device ID 1.3.2. Scroll down, download APK. Just check device ID 1.3.2. Yes, tap on download. Download anyway. Now we'll go back to main Google. Now I will open File Manager to install the device ID application. This is the application. We'll tap. I will give permission to let the file manager install this application on my mobile phone. Done. Right. Now, again, I will open Google Chrome, and I will type this time device is not certified, right? Fix issues with your Play Protect certification status. Tap on it. Scroll down. Device isn't certified. Tap here and scroll down. And if your device use a custom ROM or something else, register your device. Register your device. Tap here. Now we have to sign in our Google account. Now I will sign in my Google account here. So Gmail account already logged in. and this window will come. Right now, I will go to my desktop screen and I will open the device ID application this time. Continue. Okay, and I have to copy the Google Service Framework ID. This ID, right? Just single tap on it, then tap copy. So the device ID is copied, and we'll tap recent. Then we'll bring the Chrome window, and then we'll tap keep tapping on this window like. Then we'll tap paste, so the ID will get paste in this box. Now check I am not a robot, and then just tap register. Device registered, ID converted, etc. etc. So done, right? And I will go back to my screen. Still, the device is in error is coming. So just restart the mobile phone. So the mobile phone got rebooted. The internet connectivity is ready, and still I can see that this device is it this device is in play protect. The error is coming again. Now we have to repeat the procedure. Opening the Google Chrome once again. Definitely same page will be on, right? We'll go back to desktop screen to open the device ID, and we'll copy this Google Service Framework, right? Copy, then tap recent menu, bringing the Chrome page, and then we'll tab and we'll paste that ID in this window, and then we'll tap check, put a check sign on I am not a robot, right? And then we'll tap register. Value already registered. Done. Now the this window is will come not anymore. If it is not going now, again we have to reboot the mobile phone. Well, you can see that the internet is already connected, and that the annoying pop-up error window which was coming again and again will not come again. Now I want to inform you that the window which was coming, this device is in play protect certified, will not come again, like using this ROM on the mobile phone, unless if you take an update like OTA update arrives, and if you take the update, then maybe that window will pop up again and again. So we have to repeat the same procedure. Other than that, if you did a factory data reset, then the window will come and will pop up again and again. So we have to repeat the procedure. Now I can log in my Gmail account. Will go. Done. My Google account already logged in, and I can use Google Play Store now, which was not in use before, and I can download application straight away. And I was getting a message that check the flashlight on the Indonesian ROM. So the flashlight is working with the Indonesian ROM on the global variant of the Redmi Note 11. Finally, we got the WhatsApp application downloaded from the Google Play Store. So this is how to solve that device isn't play protect certified issue, and hopefully you will get help by watching this video. Thank you so much. Do like the video, keep sharing it with others, and I will bring another video how to flash the Indonesian Hyper OS ROM stock ROM on the global variant of the Redmi Note 11. Take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.